Good morning, everyone. Today is May 12th. It's a Thursday. It's about 12:15. I just finished recording this video that happened about 10 minutes ago. Before I get into the sell opportunity we're seeing on the chart using the Atlas line, remember that trading is risky. Please don't trade with funds you can't afford to lose. Talk to your broker. Understand there are risks involved with trading. So if you take a look here at the Atlas line, that's that yellow line here. It's software that's plotted on your chart automatically. It provides signals to go long and to go short. At the moment, I see a great opportunity to go short here at 3,900. And so I'm placing a trade to show you 3,900 to go short. And it's actually based off of price action. It's really simple, really easy to use. When the candles cross the Atlas line software, two candles need to close and need to post in order to provide a signal. Now there are a few other rules involved, and we have pullback and strength trades if the market continues to go lower and lower or higher and higher. But essentially, because the market crossed the Atlas line and it's continuing lower, we have a signal. So the signal, 3,900 quarter, is where I want to be a short seller. Now there's a couple of things I do want to mention. If this happens very fast and you are trying to chase the market, I rather you not do that. Filled. I rather try to really get the best price or as close to that price as possible. So right now I have a fill here at 3,900. You can use a limit order, you can use a market touched order, you can use the E-mini, the NASDAQ, the micro contracts, micro E-mini, micro Dow, micro NASDAQ, especially because of the volatility. The other thing you're going to notice is the volatility is indicating about 5 points, and so my target needs to really be adjusted based off of that. So you can see there in that blue line, the ATR with a setting of 4 is indicating that these candles from high to low are moving on average about 5.5 points, and that's very important because the significance of that means that the distance these candles travel impacts your stop, where you place your stop, too tight or too far away, and your target. So we don't want to take a target that's just a couple of ticks or a point under these conditions. On the other hand, I'm not expecting a 20-point move unless I trail a stop. I rather take more or less what the current conditions are indicating is possible. That's really important to understand as a trader. It's the basics of price action. We're not following moving averages. There's no Bollinger Bands. There's no RSI. There's no momentum. There's nothing on this chart except the Atlas line software and price action. Now, another thing we need to understand is time. Time is extremely relevant as a trader. The longer you hold on to a position, the less likely the market is going to work in your favor. There's a lot of traders that hold on to losing positions for far too long. If this does not make a target in a relatively short amount of time, so I'm using a 1-minute chart, we're thinking 4, 5 minutes, 6 minutes at the most. This is really 4 or 5 candles. Now let's say that this was a 5-minute chart. I have videos going back 10 years where I'm using a 5-minute chart because the volatility was much less. And so a 5-minute chart is used really to make sure that we are in check with the volatility. So target filled. The target is filled. I am going to add here the markers to show you exactly where the entry and the exits were. This is a basic Atlas line signal to go short. Again, 2 consecutive candles closing or crossing below the Atlas line. The signal is generated. Again, we're really focusing on price action, which is that's what we're after, and then we manage the trade with time-based stops, catastrophic stops. We also have pivotal stops, and you can see there the P's above. That is a follow-up trade. It is a pullback trade. So those of you who have the Atlas line software indicating pullback and strength trade opportunities, these P's are indicating to sell. So I was already short. I got out of the market to show you the example of the main signal. I'm not interested in retaking and going short or re-entering this short trade on a pullback, but I know a lot of you are. We have many users using the Atlas line software successfully. If you have any questions, if you'd like to get the Atlas line software, it's included with accelerated mentorship. It's a discounted package with all the programs and courses we offer in one reduced rate. Check your email, give us a call. Let's make sure that DayTradeToWin is right for you. My name is John Paul, and I'll see everyone at the next video. If you're new to day trading and want to learn more on the benefits of trading the markets, visit DayTradeToWin.com, join the next mentorship class starting later this month, and subscribe to the Day Trade to Win YouTube channel. We focus on price action and work exclusively with new and beginner traders who want to learn more on how to prosper from trading.